So my battery's about to die. Let's see what we can work with here. Hi guys, it's me, the Keratin 4 here today. I'm here with a try-on haul on shopping. Did some damage, you know, the typical. Okay, so the first store I'm gonna start is Forever 21. You know, I don't know if it's a Forever 21. It's a Forever 21. That's not Forever 21. First thing I got is this little thing. It's like, it didn't come as a 2-piece set, but it is a 2-piece set. I wasn't so sure about this just because of the hearts. I was like, it looks so kiddish and everything, but it actually looks really cute on, and like, I'm not wearing no bra, sis. You can't even tell. Next thing I got is this little, I forget what you call it, but it's like a little tank thingy that has little strings on it. This is kind of short on, but it looks really cute for, like, you know, if you go to the beach, go to the pool, or just want to be sexy. This is a size small, and this was on clearance, and I got it for $5. Yes, sis. Next thing I got is this little top. It is so cute. It like ties in the front. I believe this is so cute for like the 4th of July, or, you know, just any day, like with some white pants or white shorts, or like, I don't know, denim. Like, sis, you can dress this up and down as well. I love it, girl. I love it. Was not clearance. It was $8.90, which is not bad at all, and it's a small. Next thing I got is like this little thing here. It's like a tube tank with little, you know, sleeves. I think this is really good for like the spring because it has the sleeves and it's really thick. It's really great material. I got it for $5, and this was a medium. The last thing I got from Forever 21 is this bodysuit. It's just a black bodysuit, and it has the white lining on the side. Baby, tell me why. There are no buttons. Yeah, this looks really, really big. I don't know, but this was a extra small. This is an extra small, and I got this for $5. So yeah. Actually, that wasn't the last thing, but it's like the same company. I thought it was the last thing, but it's not. So this is actually the last thing. It's these leggings like these. They have like mesh at the bottom, and they're just black. Super cute. These are a size extra small as well, and this was on clearance for $9. Get that clearance, boo. Okay, and then the next place I went to was like Macy's or JCPenney's. I can't remember. I think it was Macy's. I've been working out. Well, trying to work out, sis. So I got some more workout stuff. I got this bra. It's a coral color. It's a coral color, lightweight for, you know, the small TTs. This is a size, really fun. This is a size small, and I got this for $4.89, and, you know, clearance is great. Next thing I got was another sports bra. It's so extra, like me. It has a zipper right here, like these. So you like literally unzip it, but like what's cool, it has like a little clip here, so it clips too, not just zips. This was a size small, and this was $9.25. The last thing I got from Macy's, they were just like these active leggings. Well, and this was, it says 20, but I got this on clearance too. I can't remember how much it was, but this is a small. And the last thing I got was from Shoe Depot, because, you know, they're cheaper than like Finish Line and everything else, and, you know, I like to shop in the budget. And these shoes are Adidas. They were $54.99, still kind of up there, but they're really cute, so I got them. These Adidas shoes, they're so cute. They have like a design, like, they're like patterned. They're really cute, so yeah. And my shoe size is a size 8.5. So that's it for the haul. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you share me around. That's it, really. So I'm gonna like enjoy these clothes in the summer, and I'm probably gonna wear this today. I don't know, actually I might get to the gym. And I am out.